Hello, this is Justin Petrozzi, Fixed Operations Manager for Countryside Chrysler Dodge. How to know the signs you're in need for new tires. When you think of vehicle problems, you may overlook poor tires. They are always there, but you don't always notice until you have a flat. Tires are an important part of the vehicle's health, and having old or poor tires can be dangerous. From skidding to blowouts, there are a lot of things that can go wrong. What are some of the things you need to look for when considering if you need new tires? One of the biggest indicators that you'll need new tires is the tread. Tread depth is a vertical measurement from the top of the tire's rubber to the bottom of the tire's deepest grooves. A handy guide is to use a quarter. Holding the quarter between your thumb and forefinger, place the quarter head down in the tread. Choose an area that has a lower level of the tread. If the top of the figurehead is covered, you'll have plenty of tread left. Now, if the tread isn't that, you'll need to have your tires checked. An indicator is weather in general. If your tires have been exposed to extreme climatic conditions, either extreme heat or extreme cold, especially for a long time, you'll want to have your tires changed. Lastly, age. Tires, like other things in life, need to be changed. They wear out and get old. The best bet is to visit Countryside Chrysler. Our certified technicians use the best quality products, so you and yours will be safe out on the road. Thanks for watching and see you soon.